decision ngeke izibe mnandi mhlawumbe uma kusengikhubekile ngizoyi pirate but isivele yakujabulisa. So ukuba bengazi ukuthi ukuba bengazi ukuthi so izowina bengizovele ngithi nje singakhokhe weekend yonke sidala muzo ulwazi lamahhala kodwa kuba sesize sakhona siqhubeke. Okay guys, I'm so happy online. I'm so happy. So I believe ngoba ngi-happy nje decision le izohamba kahle. So and i-pirate winile i-session engifundisa i-session engithandayo yama-lease. So angiboni kuzoba khona into ezophazamisa this session. Okay, so sizongena kuma-lease. So ama-lease kumele wazi ama-nakhuza two types of ama-leases esinawo, finance and operating lease. So I've seen kwenye document engisendelwe yona ukuthi your test will be based on finance lease. So ila ngizogcina khona kakhulu. So we've got finance lease and operating lease. So le operating lease kuthiwa ngeke ize ibe khona for inakhuza kwi-test le nizoyibhala, so izobe ingekho. So shuthi i-test izocover leya section yama-finance lease. So kuma-finance lease into okuningi ngizochaza senze i-question, ngizoku-explaina as senza ama-questions lawa so that uzo-understand ukuthi sisuke kwenzakalani, sikwenza ngasiphi isizathu. But into engathanda ukuthi uyikhumbula, ngithi uyakhumbula last semester bengikade nenza i-financial management if I'm not mistaken, la kwenziwa khona i-time value of money. So kuzomele ube nolwazi le-TVM, time value of money. Kodwa futhi nakhona awudingi lonke nje, udinga ukukhumbula umehluko between an annuity and a lump sum. So okay, angithi kuyinakhuza kwi-time value of money sidinga no-calculate ama-present value nama-future value. So i-focus yethu la ikuma-present value. So i-focus yethu ngikhuluma ngama-finance lease njalo. So i-focus yethu ikuma-present value. So calculate the present value. So kumele ukwazi uku-calculate i-present value, ukhumbula hayi ukuthi ukwazi because into osuyazi vele but ukukhumbula. Kumele ukhumbule ucalculate i-present value of an annuity. So present value of an annuity. So sizokhumbula ngikudala. Again, so ama-present value phela ama-future value awangeni la because lana sisuke sifuna ukudetermine i-liability component. So i-liability component kusuke kuyimali yelize esiyikweletayo esizoyikhokha, ngithi sikhokha ama-installments. So la kuma-leases siba nama-installments esiwakhokha annually. So ama-annual installment. Okokuqala ngithi guys mhlawumbe noma sengikhele phezulu but into esiyaziyo ukuthi uma silize i-asset kusho ukuthi we are not owning leyo asset leyo. So sizobe kufanele ukuthi siyayirenta noma siyayikhokhela ezisiyisebenzisa. So lama installments iwona esiwakhokhayo for ukusebenzisa i-assets, and ama-installments kumele sazi ukuthi ahlukene noma i-installment yakho yakhiwa izinto eziwu-2. Installment yakho yakhiwa i-interest plus capital portion. So interest plus capital. So ngicela ukufaka u-plus la center plus capital portion. So ilezi zinto zoyi-2 eyikhanda i-interest yakho, I mean installment. So uma kukhona nje mhlawumbe kuthiwa i-company ikhokha installment sika 10,000, kumele wazi ukuthi included in that 10,000 installment kusuke kune-interest. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi i-interest is capitalized kuma-installment, and then bese kuphinde kube khona i-portion i-portion esithi capital. So i-capital portion iyona le esuke i-reducer whatever sikweletu esisuke sinaso. So zonke lezo zinto sizoyichaza as sizobe singena in detail kwi-amortization table. So sibuye back-ke la kwi-time value of money. So angifuni ukumixa izinto ey'ningi sizosi-confuse angiqedele la. So kwi-time value of money sikhuluma ngama-present value. Kumele ukhumbule ucalculate i-present value annuity no-calculate i-present value ye-once off amount, that is a lump sum. So lump sum or once off amount. So kumele ukwazi ucalculate i-present value lapha. And ukuze si-calculate-ke lama-present value, I know ukuthi kwi-test uzobunikeziwa ama-table anama-factors, but mina angifuni urely kulawo ma-table because into okhonayo ukuzenzela leya uyakhona ukuyikhompyuthela lawa ama-factors osuke uzowadinga. So uma kuwukuthi sikhuluma like angithi uzobuka nje installment siyi-annuity because angithi sathi i-annuity kusuke ngama-series of payment owenza regularly. So each and every period ukhokha a certain amount of money. Leyo money leyo if uyikhokha repeatedly same amount like ama-equal amount owakhokhayo every period, then lokho sekuyi-annuity. Uzobuka nalana-ke if isilize i-asset we will be paying ama-installment okuyimali enakhuza esikhokhayo for the use of i-asset that does not belong to us. Although mhlawumbe kusuke kukhona ama-option ukuthi at the end of lease term i-asset singayithola at a lower price and stuff, but sithi ingakabi eyethu completely, ingakabelongi kuthina sisayilise. Lama installment sizowakhokha if ukuthi i-asset esiyilizile for 10 years, kusho ukuthi every year sizobe sikhokha a certain amount of installment. So since lama installment kuzobe kungama-equal amount, if sikhokha 10,000 every year, kuzobe 10,000 for 10 years esiwukhokhayo. So now uyabona ukuthi installment inakhuza i-installment siyi-annuity. It's not a once, ama-installment akusiwona once off. Buka imoto yethu sinemoto. So if unemoto ukhokha ama-installment every month, ukhokha if i-installment semoto yakho maybe it's 3.8, every month you'll be paying that 3.8. Yini leyo? I-annuity. Because every period you are paying the same amount, equal amount every period. That is one is an annuity, it's not a once off. And then kuzokwenzeka uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe if isiyothenga i-asset kuthiwa kumele sikhokhe maybe a deposit noma kumele sikhokhe a residual balance, that is a once off payment. So if we once off payment lokho sizo-calculate lento esiyibiza nge-present. For ama once off amounts si-calculate lento esiyibiza nge-present value interest factor. So we calculate the present value for ama once off payments or amounts, we calculate to PVIF. So PVIF umele present value interest factor. So present value interest factor simcalculate kanjani? So we open bracket uthi 1 plus i-rate yakho, so I lo. So i-rate uzobuyinikeziwe. And guys kumele kuzokwenzeka ku-question bezama ukutrick. Kuzothi unikeze mhlawumbe ama-rate awu-2 noma awu-3. Into kumele uyazi u-I omsebenzisa la ilo osobiza nge-effective rate noma bekunikeze lo unakhuza i-implicit rate. So i-implicit rate isafana ne-effective rate. Factor ye lump sum iformula esebenzisayo ithi PVIF, lapho usuku calculate present value interest factor 1 plus I exponent negative n. So exponent negative n. So n lapha kusuke kuyiminyaka ukuthi lease yakho i-duration yayo, lease term yakho how many years. So bekade ngikhuluma ngo-I ke la ukuthi u-I osebenzisa la it's either kuzoba i-effective rate noma i-implicit rate. Any other rate ozobuyinikeziwe kuzobe sekuthi nje ube confuse wena. So uwa-ignore amanye ama-rate abangakunikeza. Mhlawumbe bazokunikeza o-borrowing rate, bekunikeze uhlobo oluningi lama-rate. Uma ngasiyona i-effective ingasiyo implicit rate, awuyisebenzisi leyo rate leyo. So here u-I wethu sisebenzisa i-implicit rate. Uma ngasiyo i-implicit rate bazothi i-effective rate. So iwona ama-rate esiwasebenzisayo ukudiscounta. So lama rate ayi-2 iwona esiwasebenzisayo for ukudiscount whatever lump sum. So isikhathi esiningi lump sum kuya kuba ama once off payments lapha njenge-deposit. Mhlawumbe masilize asset kumele sikhokhe i-deposit, and then bese ke every month sikhokha ama-installment. Then ama-installment wona ngoba siwakhokha every month or every year, every period kuba yi-annuity. So masifuna i-factor esizoyisebenzisa ukudiscounta ama-installment. So i-factor esiyisebenzisa lapho ile esibiza ngo-PVAF, present value annuity factor. So here we use annuity factor. Formula yakhona ithi 1 minus into 1 plus I. Ukhumbule njalo lo I it's either kuzoba implicit noma effective rate minus n all over I. So le formula yokuthola i-factor esi-applya kuma-installments, because ama-installments ane-component of annuity. So ingakho si-calculate the present value annuity factor le sizo-multiply ngayo ama-installment esiwakhokha every year for i-finance lease. Whatever item or whatever asset esiyilizile. And kumele wazi ukuthi uma finance lease asset isuke ifana nokuthi eyakho la. So usukunikeziwe yona wena ozonakhuza izoba ngaphansi kwe-supervision yakho leyo asset leyo. So kusuke kufana nokuthi uyayi-owner ngamanye amazwi. Kanti ngala ku-operating lease noma uyisebenzisa but ama-right amaningi asuke esengaphansi kweleso. So ile-C ngaphansi kwama-operating lease ama-right awo are-limited kakhulu. So lana kufana noma mhlawumbe masibuka ama-office, umuntu une-office oluranayo and rent, so you don't have i-ownership ephelele over leso space osirentayo. So now in again kuzofikile so iza nama-principles athile noma indlela zoku-operator i-building yayo, wena wakho nje ukhokha ama-rent, lawo ma-rent wakhokha yona operating lease yakho le. So operating lease ayinawo ama-complications amaningi. Whatever amount esikhokhayo esirentayo for i-asset si-multiply ngo-12 months then so far income statement. Akukho kunye esikwenzayo for ama-operating lease. So into eba nemicikilisho eminingi ile yama-finance lease. So if if usuyicalculate i-present value yakho ye-annuity ne-present value yakho ye-lump sum, uma uyi-adda lawo ma-present value lawa oyi-2 uzobe usuthola lento esiyibiza nge-lease liability, okuyiyona oyoyifaka kwi-amortization. I-lease liability. okuyiyona esimortizayo. So usuyazi ukuthi okay, ukuze uthole i-lease liability kumele ucalculate i-present value yama-installment, uphinde futhi ucalculate i-present value yama-once off payment ozowakhokha regarding i-finance lease yakho. Then uma wacombine-ke lama-present value asekunikeza the lease liability okuyiyona ozohamba uyoyi-amortize. So we amortize this amount ye-lease liability. So this one should be amortized. Okay, so lezi zinto nje kumele uzazi ngani ngama-lease, bese-ke kuba u-prepare amortization table noma amortization schedule of which ngizokukhombisa khona manje nekudala ngendlela elula. Okay, so asihlale phe question because ezinye izinto noma lezi sengiyichazile neziningi akayichazi ngizoyi-explainer as senza lama-questions lawo. And enye into ekumele uyikhumbule lana, ngazi noma nganenzisa ne-deferred tax, but futhi ukuba nganenzisa because okay, so sizophinde-ke sibuka ama-implications e-deferred tax nala, so sizokhumbuzana zonke lezo zinto. So this is a practice question. So section A, section B, lo isumkhave mini wama-impairments. So Dream Pty Limited is a small manufacturing company. On 1st of December 2020, Dream entered a non-cancelable finance lease with in respect of manufacturing machine with a useful life of 10 years. So this machine abayilizayo, and it's under finance lease. So it's under finance lease. So kusho ukuthi bayaba nenakhuza during a period of lease kufanele ukuthi basuke bene ownership of leyo asset leyo. And then this is a finance lease, so the machine abayilizayo in a useful life ka 10 years, so she's depreciate over a period of 10 years. So Dream T paid a non-refundable deposit of 100,000. So for lease bengakakhokha ama-installment ukuze bona ukuthi ba-serious ngempela ngale asset, they were required to make ama-upfront payments okuyi-deposit ka 100,000. So this is a once off, guys. So i-deposit uyikhokha kanye kuphela, so ayifani nama-installment wakhokha every period to secure a lease on the 1st of December 2020. Initial direct cost of 60,000 was paid on 20 December 2020 in preparation for the lease contract. So khona manje futhi ama-direct cost. So ama-direct cost ama-cost incurred for conclude this transaction ye-lease. So lawo ma-cost siwabiza ngama-direct cost awu 60,000. So lana kusuke mhlawumbe uthi nama-lawyers amele a-represent ama-parties, so kuzodraft ama-contract nayo yonke lento sokugcina mhlawumbe kuba khona ama-legal fees, ama-profit, ama-regulatory fees, konke lokho lawo ma-cost lawo, then siyohlanganisa i-total yakhona bese sithi ama-direct cost. And then terms of finance lease contracts are as follows. So the item to be leased, it's a manufacturing machine AA. So this is an item enakhuza elizwayo, and non-cancelable lease term, so 6 years. So it is term yellow machine, it's 6 years. So we should see the company that is leasing Dream T Limited uzoba ne-right of use of this machine for a period of 6 years. So that is the lease term. That from the date from which the asset is used, bazoqala nini ukuyisebenzisa le asset abayilizile ngomhla ka 1 January 2021. So this is the commencement date. And then annual lease installments. So mokuthiwa annual lease, these are installments akhokha annually every year. Ukhumbule njalo, these are initial payments abawenzile 100,000 and 60,000 ama-direct cost ne-deposit. Already sebewenzile lawana ukusecurisha i-lease. And then on top of le balance ka 160 masicombine laba boyi-2 esebeyikhokhile every year nake for 6 years bazobe sebekhokha 80,000 installment, and this is payable in arrears because but it's payable ngomhla ka 31 December each year. So if ama-installment siwakhokha at the end of the year, then sithi are payable in arrears. So kuzokwenzeka mhlambe uthole sometimes uzothiwa ama-installment are payable in advance at the beginning of the year, then i-amortization yakho lapho iba nama-changes amancane azoba khona. But most of the time bakunikeza information whereby ama-installments are payable in arrears. So guaranteed residual value, so the guaranteed residual value is 50,000. So amount lessee expected to pay based on residual value guarantee. So this is the residual value of 50,000, and this is a once-off payment again. So this is a once-off payment. Note, lessee will not take the ownership of the asset at the end of lease term. So kwamanye ama-question izokwenzeka uthola ukuthi at the end of the lease term, i-lessee isiba i-owner, complete owner of i-asset ekade beyilizile. So lana akuzukuba ileyo case leyo. Futhi after 6 years, le asset izobe isibuyela back to the lessor. So ngeke i-lessee igcine isiyi-permanent owner of the asset. But kwamanye ama-question iyenzeka ukuthi after the lease term, then isine option yokuyithatha i-asset maybe at a less price. So kuyenzeka kube kanjalo, but akusho lutho, just ukuthi sazi ukuthi this asset izobuyela back after 6 years or lease term. Then Dream T also entered into an operating lease agreement on 6 June 2021. So on 6 June khona enye futhi lease abayithathile operating lease. So bathenwa test 2 izophuma le, but ngizoyi-explain just ukuthi nje uyazi, but this is not for test 2. The terms from the operating lease agreement are as follows. So the asset to be leased under operating lease, it's a vehicle, delivery vehicle. The lease term is 3 years. So the lease commencement date on 1 July 2021. So the monthly lease installment payable in arrears 3.5. So sizobe sisebenzisa the vehicle engasiyona yethu nayo siyilizile. Every month sizobe sikhokha ama installment ka 3.5 for le vehicle esobe sisebenzisa to operate our business. And then additional information, the incremental borrowing rate is 12% and interest rate implicit is in the finance lease is 11.5. So le bengikhuluma ngayo. So lower borrowing rate i-rate nje abayifakile ukuthi bedide wena ungazi ukuthi ugcina ugesa ukuthi ihlabathi ngisebenzise le nkulu. So uma kungasiyona i-effective rate noma ngasiyo implicit rate, ignore leyo rate ozobe inikeziwe. So thina into esiyisebenzisayo la kwi-amortization table kanye nokucalculate ama-present value uma sesifuna ukuthola the liability component, sisebenzisa the implicit rate or effective rate. And then I don't believe ukuthi we calculate. I think bazobe kunikezile question because kwamanye kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi implicit rate lena uyinikeziwe when we calculate. So lapho usudinga ukusebenzisa i-financial calculator, but la I believe nizobe ninikeziwe. So ngeke kudala ukuthi ni-calculate nini. So unakhuza le i-borrowing rate le usungayisebenzisa if kuthiwa awunayo i-implicit rate, awunayo i-effective rate, then ungasebenzisa leya ya 20% ukudiscount ukuthola ama-present values. But uma une-implicit noma effective rate iwona esiwasebenzisayo la. So le ungayisebenzisa if we do not have layer ya rate ka 11.5 which is implicit. So income tax rate is 28%. So tax is charged at 28%. Profits before tax, before taking the leases into account is 650,000 for the year ended 31st December 2021. So this is PPT before ama transactions lawa ama lease. Kusho ukuthi le PPT le profit kumele si-adjuste ngama-nakhuza ngama-amounts aqhamuka from these transactions ama lease. The current financial year ends on 31st December 2021. So required, bafuna senzeni. As a junior accountant, you have been requested by CFO of Dream T to assist with the following. Number 1, amortization schedule over the lease term. Bafuna bancedise ngokucompile the amortization table. Number 2, calculate deferred tax balance as at 31st December 2021. So guys, sakhuluma nge-deferred tax, I think last semester if I'm not mistaken. So deferred tax balance calculator using the method esibiza nge-statement of financial position method of which ngizokukhumbuza yona manje uma sesifika kuleya part. Calculate the current tax and income tax. Guys, uma bethi calculator i-current tax, basuke lapho befuna wenze the tax computation. Angazi noma sayikhumbula yini tax computation. Kumele ube ukhumbula ama-items lawo esiwa-exemptayo nama-items that give rise to temporary differences, because i-deferred tax i-calculate all temporary differences. So ngizophinde futhi ngi-highlight zonke lezo ukuze zibuye back kwi-memory yethu. Journal entries for the year ended 31st December 2021 to account for operating lease. So bafuna senze nama-journal entries. The last one, prepare and extract from statement of financial position and statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 31st December. So phinde senze extracts income statement ne-balance sheet. So izona zinto ezifunakalayo lezi. So lana sinama-lease awu-2, operating and finance lease. So asiqale nge-finance lease. So sizoqala nge-finance lease. So asithathe i-workbook yethu siqala nge-finance lease. So we're gonna take information esiyidingayo ngala relevant sibuyise ngaliya la isobe sisebenzela khona, so that singalokhu siba up and down ema-page ahlukahlukene. So into yokuqala la esiyaziyo sine lease the asset which is manufacturing AA. So angivele copy konke lokho. I think yonke le information isizoyidinga. So information yale asset esinayo under finance is Okay, so the leased asset it's manufacturing AA, lease term 6 years. Then the commencement dates umhlaka 1 January. So lease effective ekuqaleni konyaka because unyaka uphela ngoDecember, so ngoba umhlaka 1 futhi effective ekuqaleni konyaka. And then the installment is 80,000 annual. These are annual installments. And then sibe ne guaranteed residual value. Okusho ukuthi after lease term ka 6 years, i-value ezobe isi-attached kule asset yethu kuzobe seku 50,000. So that is residual value. So residual value sitshela lokho ukuthi after i-duration isiphelile izobe isithini i-value esuke ezobe isele kwi-asset. So now into yokuqala ke guys ekumele siyenze la kumele sicalculate the lease liability. So angithi bese ngikhombisile ukuthi masicalculate la i-lease liability sidila ne-time value of money lapho. Angithi why sidila mhlawumbe angichaze ngagroup why sidila ne-time value of money. Angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi i-time value of money sathi it's a concept which assumes that a rand today is worth more than a rand tomorrow. So uma senze example isinkwa namhlanje maybe it's 15 rand, in the next 5 years maybe uzobe usudinga 25 rand 30 rand uthola isinkwa, okusho ukuthi u15 rand wanamhlanje une value enkulu kuno 15 rand wa 5 years because u15 rand wanamhlanje uyakutholela isinkwa, after 5 years u15 rand uzobe ungasekho enough ukuthi uthole isinkwa, so uzobe usuluze i-value. So isikhathi ezisamba imali iluza i-value. So angithi siyazi nathi ukuthi le lease le izorana for 6 years, and for 6 years we will be paying ama installment ka 80,000. So now kumele lama installments ngoba siwakhokha in the future. So these are future installments. So wakhokha year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4 up to year 6. That is in the future. So kusho ngamanye amazwi lama installments ayi future value. So now into esifuna ukuyenza ke thina sifuna ukwa discounter into present. Khona sizothola ukuthi if we were to pay lama installments today, imalini ebekuzomela siyilungise ukukhokha lama installments wakhokha in the future for 6 years. So that is why ke sengena indaba zani zama present value, because this 80,000 is the amount that will be paid in the future. So and 80,000 uyi-installment. So ama installment ayini? Ama installment ayi-annuity. So ukuthola i-present value installment kuzomele ucalculate i-present value ye-annuity lapho. So we are calculating lease liability. Lease liability. So must calculate lease liability ngizocela ukuyibhala nge-handwriting khona kuzoshesha. So kwi-lease liability sizothatha ama installment. We're gonna take ama installment. So ama installment ukhumbule njalo ukuthi ayi annuity, yona annuity yethu le. So lama installment sobe sesiwa multiplier ngalento esiyibiza nge factor present value in annuity factor. So iformula yakhona sithe ithi 1 minus into 1 plus I okuyi-implicit rate leya ya minus n u-n ilize yethu it's for 6 years, so lapha n isoba no 6 all over u-I. And then uma senza lento le guys sifuna ini la, sifuna i-present value yama installments lawe siwakhokha in the future. So sifuna ukuthola i-value yama future installment presently ukuthi ithini. And then le nakhuza le present value yama installment esizoyithola la sizobe sesizo add. So okay, so sizobe sizo add nansi information ngilethile ngala. So bathi lana after 6 years i-value the guaranteed residual value of the leased assets kuzobe seku 50,000. So lo 50,000 kuzobe kuyi-value ye-asset after 6 years. So at the end of year 6 the residual value of the assets will be 50,000. So now sifuna ukwazi ukuthi ke lo 50,000 lo if besi determine value yawo namhlanje ukuzoba equivalent to how much. So lo 50,000 awusiyona i-annuity, it's a once off amount le. So i-value ezoba khona noma ezoba available for kwinakhuza kwi-asset after noma at the end of year 6. So that is in the future. So it's a once off amount. And then uma sifuna i-present value lapha yana sizosebenzisa i-present value interest factor. So sizothatha the residual value which is a once off amount. So RV, this is a residual value. Si multiply nge present value interest factor is 81 plus I implicit rate minus UN. So guys, uma senza yonke lento lesi sicombine yonke lento izosinikeza lento esibiza ngani nge-lease liability. Sisahambisana?
Yes.
Okay. asubstitute-ke. So ama-installment esiwakhokha every year, it's how much? Kuzoba u-80,000 esikhokha every year for 6 years. So sifuna ukudetermine i-present value kuyalama installments lapho. So we're gonna substitute laphaya 80,000. So annual installments 80,000 times 1 minus into 1 plus I. So the implicit rate, but
11.5.
Implicit rate 11.5, yes. So times 11.5. Leto ngenzela ukuthi noma kuthiwa uyanikwa ama-table, because nama-table azogcina ekuconfuse nawo ungasazi ukuthi wazi ube uthiwa ama-table owanikezwa. So it's better ukuthi lento vele uyazi ungafuni ukurelaya kuma-factors wathola kwi-table. U-N wethu i-lease term is 6 years. So sizoba no-6 lapha, all over u-I, which is 11.5%. So guys, sekulula-ke. Uma uthanda ungayishaya yonke lento kwi-calculator, uma uthanda ungavele ushaye lo kuphela, but uma une-casual, I prefer ukuthi uvele ushaye yonke kwi-calculator. So uma ungenayo i-casual kumele uqale usebenze lapha uthole i-factor yalapha. So uma ushaya lento le uzothola le factor uzobe unayo kwi-table at a rate of 11.5, u-N wakho ewu-6. So kusuke kuyi-factor leyo ozoyithola. So lento uma siyishaya yonke kwi-casual sizoba no-80,000 times fraction 1 minus into 1 plus I 11.5%. Exponent negative 6 all over 11.5%. Then kuphuma u-333,623,5. So masiround off lapha nenza u-333,624. So ile part le 333,624. So angithi uyabona la lento isho ukuthini masithi present value le. So every year sizobe sikhokha ama-80,000. Every year sizobe sikhokha ama-80,000 for 6 years. So 80,000 times 6 kusho ukuthi siyonke imali esizobe siyikhokha for those 6 years lo it's 480,000 i-total yakhona. But if le total lese si-discounted into present, so kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi if implicit rate i-11.5%, u-480 kwa 6 years to come u-equivalent no-333,620 wanamhlanje. So kusho lento isho ukuthini into obungayithenga ngo-333,624 namhlanje, if uzolinda uyithenge after 6 years, after 6 years uzobe usudinga malini? Uzobe usudinga 480. Njengoba kade ngikwenzele i-example nje ngento elula isinkwa namhlanje ukuze usithenge udinga u-15 rand, but after 6 years maybe uzobe usudinga 30 rand. So into efanayo-ke nalapho kusho ukuthi u-present value walama-installments esiwakhokha for 6 years i-total yakhona ku-480. If iswa discounted into present, they are equivalent namhlanje, they are equivalent to 333,624. Then sithi plus, so the other part ile residual value. So residual value it's a once off. So i-value izobe isi-attached kwi-asset after i-lease term. So it's a once off. So 50,000 siya discounta nawo. So 50,000 so 50,000 into 1 plus. So the implicit rate is 11.5. Exponent negative 6. Then ushaya i-calculator. Ushaya i-calculator lapha ngibizela ukuthi uthola ba. So masibacombine-ke laba bowu i-present value ama-installment, i-present value residual value izosikhipela i-lease liability. Guys, yayikho enye indlela okuyenza yiyo le engicabanga ukuthi ngaphandle uma ufuna ukuyenza ngale ama-table. Ama-table uzonikezwa ama-factors. Ngizokukhombisa futhi nakhona. So kuphuma ba lapha
26,021.
26,021. Round of field.
Yes.
So 26,021. So now uma sibacombine-ke laba bowu sesiyayithola leya lease liability. So usho ukuthi i-lease liability yale asset esiyilizile iyimalini. So imalini esiyikweletayo for those 6 years. And this guys already is creating obligation because okokuqala kuthiwa le lease is non-cancelable. So ngoba sesingenile kule lease, even kuthiwa sesifuna ukushintsha umqondo, we still have to meet ama-obligations. So kusamele uma kuthiwa siyayi-cancel i-lease, still lena kuza le amount ebesizoyikhokha over 6 years izomele siyikhokhe before 6 years if it's decided to terminate. So the lease is non-cancelable. So already this is a liability esicreate because isibophezela ukuthi nakanjani every year for 6 years this is what you're going to be paying kule so that is a liability. So uma si le liability ke si discounter into present iwumali
359,645.
359,645. Thank you. 359,645. So this is the liability, the obligation as it created. So angithi siyazi ukuthi like ngokwama nominal values imali ekumele siyikhokhe it's 480 lower ama 80,000 singakawa discount singakawenze be present. So 80,000 times 6 480 lo 480 lo bese sithi plus 50,000 residual value u530. So kusho ukuthi ngokwama nominal values singayiconsider time value of money imali ekumele siyikhokhe u530 but ngenxa ukuthi ke le mali esizoyikhokha in the future izo affect ama financial statements namhlanje asikwazi ukuthi ama financial statement siwa prepare ngama values a future siwenza presently currently. So that is why these amounts are affecting future siwabuyisa back into present. Why? Because ama financial statements esiwenzayo our presently. So ingakho si discounter there. And then sesinayo lease liability. So mase sinayo lease liability sekumele siyokwenza amortization table. So ngizoyitype yona ngizokuyisebenzisa handwriting. So now we are preparing amortization table. Umuthando ngasho ukuthi amortization schedule. So guys mwenze amortization table mina ngendlela yami engiyenza ngayo engiprefer ngayo. So zihlukahlukene indlela zokwenza ama amortization table. So mina kuneyami ngiyibone ilula. So ngala kwi-column yokuqala sizoba neminyaka ilize yethu izorana for 6 years iqala ngo-2021. So should this one 2021, 2022, 2023, 24, 25. So 5 years okugcina 2026 iminyaka yethu le 1 2 3 4 5 6 at least 10 yethu le. And then kwi-column elandelayo sizoba nama opening balance. So ama opening balance sizokhombisa ukuthi so yenza kanjani then bese siba ne-interest expense. Noma ngithi nje finance cost. Interest expense leyo but sinasho ukuthi finance cost. So finance cost ikusuka nama interest lawo. Then bese siba nama installments. And then sibe ne capital portion. And then bese siba ne closing balance. So mina i-amortization yami ngiyaye ngithande ukuthi ime kanje. Because ngikhona ukuyichaza kahle uma ngiyenze ngale ndlela. I know ukuthi mhlambe i-lecture ngiyanikeza enye ihlobo. Lokho akuthi kanjani amortization yakho akusho lutho. So into ebalekile i-application anokuthi egcineni sinika into eyodwa yini. So now kwi-amortization i-opening balance angithi is-amortizer ini la. So i-amortization si-amortizer the lease liability. So we amortize lease liability. Then umbuzo uthi sesinayo leyo liability le. So nangi lapha na u359,645. So kusho ukuthi kwi-opening balance sizoqala nale balance esitholile 359,645. So iyona liability yethu le. And then finance cost interest le esicalculator at an implicit rate of 11.5. So this finance cost is calculated at 11.5%. So siyazi ngithi ukuthi interest the finance cost interest is calculator ngephi calculator we opening balance. So usho ukuthi uzosathi opening balance times 11.5%. Ngizocela ungibizela ke fast sigijime. Uphuma ba we round off
41,359.
41,359. Then inakhuza yethu le interest yethu. Then bese siza kuma installment. Guys ama installment azoba fixed throughout. So yonke le column installment asichange. Every year these are annual installments lo 80,000. Our are fixed our change. So every year azolokhu 80,000 ama installment. So sino 80,000. Into engikutshele yona ke earlier on I'm sure ukuthi awuyinakanga but usuzoyinaka ke manje ngoba seyinesidingo sokuthi uyinake. Angithi yakhumbula ukuthi ngitheni kuwena. Ngithe i-installment yakho yakhiwa izinto ezu2. Yakhiwa i-interest kanye ne-capital. So la sine installment sika 80,000. So this is our installment. but the installment is 80,000. So calculate interest for year 1. So interest for year 1, we amortization year 2, it's 41,359. So the interest, is 41,359. Okusho ukuthi ke lenye balance uma isoyithola uma sithi installment minus interest. So leyo balance leyo ilesi ibiza ngani nge-capital portion. So kusho i-capital portion la izoba malini. So ngithi usuyabona ukuthi i-capital uyithola kanjani, uthi installment minus interest, then the balance ke kuzobe sekuyi-capital. Kuphuma how much?
38,641.
38,641. So iyona capital ke leya. So kumele wazi ukuthi installment yakho ihlanganisa izinto eziwu-2. Included in your installment is the interest, because interest is capitalized in my installment. Then the remaining balance ukuthi installment minus interest sekuyi-capital portion. And the capital portion izokuchazela khona manje. So sesitholile, so angithi yabona uzothini, ufika uthi law minus law bese kuphuma lower ya. So that is 38,641. So guys, i-capital kusuke kuyile ngxenye le ereducer isikweletu. So angichazele ngingayisheshisi. Angithi lana we have isikweletu ekumele sisikhoke over 6 years. Lesi sikweletu that is liability sithe u-359,645. So kulesi sikweletu lesi sicharge interest. I-interest isenze njani isikweletu? Yes, increase angithi. So interest yes increase isikweletu, and then bese kuba khona ingxenye ereduce isikweletu. So le ngxenye ereduce isikweletu lesibiza ngani ngecapital. So thina ukuthi sikhokhe, omunye umuntu mhlawumbe uzoyitshela ukuthi okay, ngoba sikweleta u-359,645 and then sikhokhile i-payment esiyenzile installment u-80,000 minus 80,000, kusho ukuthi isikweletu sethu u-279. This is not correct, because lo 80,000 ominazile laphana awuminazi wonke lo 80,000. So lapha 80,000 included 80,000 i-interest. So i-interest isenze njani isikweletu? Yes increase. So kulesi sikweletu vele sinazo we are charged interest. Interest yes increase isikweletu sethu. So we add interest ka 41,359, and then imali okuyiyona ke sikhokhayo sesikhokhela ukuthi now ayinciphise isikweletu lesibiza nge-capital portion oku-38. So you only subtract 38,641, then sekuphuma ke i-balance yakhe ezoba i-closing balance. So ilokho engingakhuza bengifuna uku-emphasize. So mase sifuna ukushaya i-closing balance la, i-portion ekunciphisa isikweletu ile esiyibiza ngani, esiyibiza nge-capital. So uma ufuna i-closing balance uthatha the balance ebesinayo at the beginning, uzo subtractor this portion esithi yona ereduce isikweletu. So not ukuthi minus 80,000, because 80,000 kusuke kuyi-combination noma yes isuke sicombine the interest and capital. So thina siyazi ukuthi it's only capital portion enciphisa isikweletu. So ngoba besikweleta nje at the beginning opening balance u-359, sizominaza only i-portion le eyi-capital, not i-interest. So uzothi law minus lower ya bese sithola i-balance yethu. How much?
$329,000.
Kuphuma
321,000.
321 no 4 004. Okay. So now siyayazi i-principle. I-principle ithi i-closing balance ka-2021 the following year izobe isiba yini i-opening. So kusho ukuthi la 2022 i-opening balance sesithatha le ya-closing ya-previous year isi i-opening la. So 321,004. Then sesicalculate i-interest ke. Interest siyicalculate interest ka-2022 siyicalculate i-opening balance ka-2022. So sizothatha u-321,004 times nge-rate yakho ka-11.5. Uphuma yes.
Ngicela ukuconfirm la i-closing balance sithatha the opening plus yes. Finance cost.
Are we add finance cost? So usubtract i-capital portion. So bengenzela ukuthi understand ukuthi why angithi ngikade ngi-explain indaba yokuthi asithathi le balance minus 80,000, because 80,000 usuke include. So the time is minus 88 kuphela, ngithi kusele already lapha yana 41 ngoba
interest.
So interest isuke capitalized, suisa added. So thina minus only the capital portion, then interest is a so uma we add kuzobe sekuyi-double calculation le ngoba already vele ngithatha minus 38 la kulowa 80,000 kusala interest kabani ka 41. Okay, thank you. So ashaya interest yango 2022 how much?
36,915.
36,915.
Yes.
Thank you. Installment has changed its fees. And it's 80,000. So with the study capital uzothini installment minus interest. Now, so this capital difference between installment and interest, the finance cost. So you're now way minus capital portion. So kusala malini umuthi 80 minus 36 915
277,919.
277
No,
Nine.
no, it's 43,000.
43.
Sorry, capital. No.
43
43,085 rand.
and 85. Thank you. Then the closing balance uzothatha the opening minus the capital. Then sephuma the closing balance. You know what we show 277?
Yep.
Oh, 277 bani
919.
919. Samson.
Yes.
Hey guys, who advisor? If kuthiwa umucheka la required. Required wethula zonke izinto esizenzayo, zonke izinto esizenzayo ziphela ngomhla ka-31 unyaka wethu uphela ngomhla ka-6 izinto for ama-NACOs ama-interest esizowenza wonke la it's for i-period ephela ngo-31st December 2021 and 2021. So uma ku-exam because of isikhathi awudingi ukuthi uyenze iziphele yonke le-amortization sesiyabona nje lo line lo ka-2021 masuphelele usungenza wonke ama-entries afunakala ngo-2021 because awuzukwenza u-2022 asisekho isidingo sokuqhubeka naleminye iminyaka because nabafune nje wenza ama-entries ka-2021. So mina ngoba ngiyakufundisa ngizoyenza yonke amortization but ngiyak-advise ukuthi uma ubala ubone ukuthi isikhathi mhlawumbe awunaso isanele awusadingi ukuqhubeka nazo zonke lezi ezinye iminyaka because lama amounts aleminye iminyaka awakafiki kuyona thina sithatha 2021 so asikwazi ukuthi si 2021 sesiphuthuma ama-entries o-2024 2026 no nezo into engishoyo.
Yep.
Alright, but ngoba siyafunda sizoyenza yonke but ngik-advise nje uma sobhala ubone ukuthi isikhathi asikho esayidini lakho udinga nje lo walayini kuphela ka-2021 then whatever ke ngo-2021 ethinta i-finance lease uzoyisebenzisa from using these balances onawo laphaya leya row yokuqala. So i-closing balance siqedeni-ke i-closing balance yango-2022 izoba i-opening 2023 so 277 919 and i-interest yakho 11.5
31,961.
31,961. Then installment as cheap, guys, is fixed 80,000. Then capital portion installment minus finance cost.
It's 48,039.
48 and 39. And then closing balance opening minus capital. Which one?
It's 229,880.
229,880. So
Yes.
opening yangonyaka olandelayo 229,880. Then times 11.5 solid interest.
Uthola 26,436.
26,436. Then installment fixed 80,000. So 80,000 minus finance cost, solid capital portion.
It's 53,564.
53,564.
564.
Then closing balance.
$176,316.
173.
176.
Or 176,316. Kanje.
Yep.
Okay. Then opening balance 176,316. Shy interest yakhona la. So sesiyalazi le table lahamba kanjani. Obviously interest masuyitholile.
20,000.
20,276.
76.
Okay. Installment 80,000. For the capital portion.
$59,724.
59,724. Closing balance.
116,592.
116,592, and then unyaka wokugcina ne-opening ka 116,592 simtimes 11.5%. Sithole interest finance cost
13,408.
13,408.
408.
13,408. So installment 80,000 minus 13,408 capital
66,592.
66,592. Bese kumele sishaye ibhalansi yalapha ya closing balance, so asale sesiqedela. So bekade ngisachaza ukuthi since besikade sitsheliwe ukuthi the residual value of the asset at the end of lease term, so the residual value of the asset at the end of lease term kuzoba 50,000. Kumele uma wenza i-amortization laphayana ngonyaka we-6, ekupheleni konyaka we-6 the last year sithole ukuthi value le asset ngempela seyi-50,000, which is the residual value. So uma sishaya i-closing balance laphayana sithola abantu, uyakhumbula uma sishaya i-closing balance we take the opening minus the capital portion. So umuthi 116,592 minus 66,592. So how much are we getting?
I think it was 50,000.
50,000. So you think you're not sure how we shy calculate what you think. So but it should
Yes,
be
I think.
50,000.
Yeah, it was 50,000.
Okay. So kumele ibe kanjena ke amortization yakho. So you understand?
Yes.